Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop channel for honest, thorough, and smart product insights. Today, we're showcasing what we believe is the best motorcycle cover waterproof outdoor storage for touring bikes, the LIBZAKI motorcycle cover. Let's get right into why this product has been turning heads in the motorcycle community. First off, materials matter, and this one starts strong. This cover is made from high-grade 420D Oxford fabric. That's not just a fancy name, it's a durable, heavy-duty textile that gives your motorcycle serious protection from rain, heat, UV rays, snow, scratches, and other environmental damage. Whether you're storing your bike indoors or braving the elements outdoors, this cover steps up as a solid shield. If you've got a touring setup, chances are this cover will fit like a glove. Now, let's talk about waterproofing. This isn't your average water-resistant cloth. It's been upgraded with waterproof seam strips, dramatically improving its ability to keep water out. No more puddles or moisture buildup after a storm. Your bike stays dry and safe underneath. The functional improvements in its construction. Around the entire bottom edge, there's a fully adjustable elastic hem, giving you a snug fit. And in the center, a windproof buckle strap ensures your cover doesn't fly away on windy days. That's crucial for anyone storing their bike outdoors for extended periods. Plus, there's an ABS lock hole in the front section if you want to secure it with a chain lock. The thoughtful details don't end there. It comes with reflective strips all around. Not only do these add to the aesthetic, but they're incredibly useful for visibility at night. There are even dedicated holes for antenna clearance and strategically placed front vents. These vents ensure that your bike doesn't develop condensation or moisture from the inside, an often overlooked feature that protects your chrome and electronics over time. And yes, it comes with a matching storage bag, compact, portable, and convenient for riders on the go. Whether you're headed for a weekend ride or covering your motorcycle for seasonal storage, this bag makes transporting the cover hassle-free. A quick side note. The cover comes in multiple sizes including sidebox, top plus sidebox, and even trike variants, so be sure to select the one that fits your bike configuration. If you own a touring motorcycle and want to keep it looking fresh, avoid weather damage, and add an extra layer of security, the LIBZAKI cover is worth every penny. It's not just a protective cloth, it's a well-engineered storage solution built for serious riders. And that wraps up our overview of the LIBZAKI motorcycle cover, the best waterproof outdoor storage for your two-wheeled machine. If you're ready to upgrade your motorcycle storage game, check the link in the description to learn more or order yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on reviews and product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we test, evaluate, and simplify your buying decisions. See you in the next one.